Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the best blockchain stocks to buy in 2022. The first one that we're going to look at is called IBM, the International Business Machine Corporation. The company actually provides integrated solutions and services worldwide, operating through their four primary segments. The first one is software, the second is consulting, the third is infrastructure and financing. The IBM literally provides the industry-leading enterprise-level blockchain solutions, and it has its own blockchain platform which is powered by the Hyperledger technology, making it a suitable investment option if one is looking into the blockchain stocks. Now, the main thing over here that you need to look at is the fact that right now where the graph is, it's literally positioning itself into a bullish market. And obviously we understand and we know the name of IBM, and IBM literally is one of the leading institution, organization, enterprises that is doing massive movements inside the crypto market as well as the technology industry. The second is called Coinbase Global, with a price of $78.70 with an increase of 4.58%. Now, Coinbase provides the financial infrastructure and technology for the crypto economy in the US as well as internationally. The company actually operates the world's largest crypto exchange, boasting over 10,000 digital assets which are tradable on its platform. The better thing and the most important thing is the fact that the company actually has a consumer base of roughly 89 million verified users, out of which 11,000 are institutions and 185,000 ecosystem partners in over 100 countries, making Coinbase one of the best blockchain stocks to buy in 2022. And if you look at the graph right now, it is literally at 28, and I can predict and see into the future as the movement of the crypto market changes that this is literally gonna go massive. It is gonna go on a bull run right now. So best position right now to market yourself, position yourself, and actually get into it at this moment in time. But remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. That brings us to the next, Oracle Corporation, with a stock price of $72.12 with a decrease of a minus 5.16%. But the interesting thing for Oracle Corporation is the fact that it is a leading provider of products and services that address the enterprise information system environment worldwide. The company is actually known for offering the suite of cloud application and cloud platform. But the most interesting thing, guys, is the fact that the company offers the Oracle blockchain platform cloud service, which is capable of running smart contracts at the same time maintaining an immutable distributed ledger. And the platform is actually powered by an open source Hyperledger fabric, which makes it possible to build secure as well as verifiable decentralized applications that tend to share the tamper-proof validated data with their suppliers, the banks, as well as partners and other relevant entities, literally positioning Oracle Corporation as ranked as one of the best blockchain stocks to buy in 2022. And if you look at the second quarter in 2021 to the third quarter to the fourth quarter, and then the first quarter in 2022 and the second quarter in 2022, you can clearly see there's a massive jump. So you can look at the fact that right now it's positioned itself into a bull run, and it will increase drastically before it falls. To make sure you get into this and put this on the list to look out for, because this stock is gonna go really high. That tends to take us to a position, to a company, to an organization, to an enterprise, to individuals that call themselves the Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation, known as AMD, which is a massive name in the industry, with a stock price of $77.45 and an increase in price of 0.55%. We can clearly see that Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, literally operates as a semiconductor company worldwide that is involved in the design and manufacture of processors and graphic processing units, which are known as GPUs, both of which are fundamental for the blockchain networks and running the blockchain algorithm. The company has a competitive advantage over other major players in the space. It is both a cutting-edge CPUs and GPUs to offer, which has the goal of making blockchain transactions faster and more secure. The AMD is powering some of the world's most powerful blockchain systems, including Rocket Chain and Camino N1 and MSI Blockchain Rig F12 and so many other, which makes it a compelling option for investors looking into invest into the blockchain stock. And if you look at the graph right now, guys, you can clearly see it is literally going towards the sky. And obviously, if anyone that got into the action in the start will able to tell you that only the higher it it's gonna go, the better it's gonna get. That brings us to a very interesting company called Block Incorporated with a stock price of $68.56 with a decrease of 1.47%. This operates as a financial service and a digital payment company, which is based out of San Francisco in California. Now, the company has a cash app that enables users to trade Bitcoins really fast, really secure, and has a user-friendly manner. Now, according to the company's own earning report for the fiscal year for the fourth quarter in 21, the revenues from Cash App came to $2.6 billion, which were up 17.5% year after year, accounting for 63% of the company's total revenue in the fourth quarter in 2021. Now, Block Incorporated also operates Spiral, which is an independent platform for Bitcoin developers that is targeted at a building fund-free and open source project that improves the Bitcoin scalability, privacy, security, and user experience. And obviously, the main element over here to look at is the fact that it has decreased, but it is positioning itself. It is stabilizing itself. It is getting into a position because it understands the dynamics, understands the scalability, the strategy, and the implementation that is required to make it into a bull market. And right now, with the decrease, it is positioning itself to go up really high. So positioning yourself to get into the action right now is the right decision to make. And this literally shows us one of the best ones right now, which is the Riot blockchain, which is for $7.56 with a decrease of 0.92%. This is a blockchain and crypto company that mainly focuses on the crypto mining, and the company has 7,043 miners across North America as of December 31, 2020. In April, the company actually announced it was going to acquire the Whinstone US, which operates the cryptocurrency mining data centers, and the Riot ranks as one of the best blockchain stocks to buy right now. And if you look at the graph over here, you can clearly see the massive jump that it's taken, and it is also right now in a position to become one of the biggest stocks in the industry because it has positioned itself in a very beautiful manner. Now guys, the thing that you got to remember is the fact that I am not a financial advisor, so you need to make sure that you do your own due diligence before you invest, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to support you, to assist you, and to guide you in whatever manner possible. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, so more people can find out about the best blockchain stocks to buy in 2022. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.